Delightful day. Welcome to Mitsubishi Carmona. I am Carol Ramos, Sales Executive. Today, we will present to you the all-new 2024 Mitsubishi Triton GLX.
The Mitsubishi Triton was announced last year. We were trying to get our hands on a unit to feature on our channel, but long story short, we unfortunately weren't able to secure one. But thanks to Miss Carol of Mitsubishi Carmona, we were given the opportunity to feature the said vehicle prior to its official launch. So without further ado, hey everyone, Kim of Trip Auto here, and this is the 2024 Mitsubishi Triton GLX. The Triton comes in multiple variants. The one that we have for you today is the mid-spec automatic transmission GLX. Color options for the GLX includes blade silver metallic, graphite gray metallic, red solid, jet black mica, and white diamond. The GLX has a 2.4-liter diesel engine that goes up to a maximum of 184 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. The GLX is offered with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got 18-inch Yokohama Geolandar tires with alloy wheels, with disc brakes in front and drum brakes at the back. The Triton is equipped with a double wishbone and lift springs for its front and rear suspension. The GLX uses halogen bulbs for its head and fog lamps, halogen taillights. There's an auto-folding chrome door mirrors with turn indicators, chrome door handles, roof-mounted antenna, side steps, and the spare tire is as expected underneath the vehicle. Let us now have a look at the Triton's exterior along with its weight and dimensions. A quick segue here before we continue. Trip Auto is a Trip PH automotive series that places the vehicle's front and center. We aim to provide our viewers with more details in a shorter amount of time. So if you like what you're seeing so far, then a like to our videos and a subscription to our channel would be greatly appreciated. The GLX key has the basic lock and unlock buttons. Unlocking it flashes the hazards twice and unfolds the door mirrors. The GLX seats are covered with fabric material, while the steering wheel is wrapped with leather. There is an analog with a 7-inch multi-information display, an 8-inch display audio system with wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and a single-zone automatic climate control. The cabin has a nice balanced mix of plastic and soft-touch materials, mixed with gloss black on the center console and door panels. There are 4 USB ports, 2 12-volt sockets, seat back pockets, passenger side vanity mirror, sunglass holder, along with these cup holders, storage, and cubby spaces. The reverse camera should prove useful, since rear window visibility is quite limited. Rear windows go almost all the way down. The transmission tunnel is on the small side, and this is what the door opening looks like. The Triton did well with our regular size paper cup and 500 ml bottled water test. There is a center armrest with cup holders on the second row that we weren't able to test, but it should work without issues like most cup holders out there. Adjusting the front seat to my height, which is 5'7", Miss Carol, who is 5'6", still has loads of legroom and a good amount of headroom. Let us now check the Triton's cargo space. The Triton, like the Strada before it, in our opinion, is well balanced in terms of practicality and features without breaking the bank. It also comes with multiple variants to properly suit your needs and preferred price range. The Mitsubishi Triton GLX Automatic is currently priced at 1,383,000 Philippine pesos. The rest of the variants' asking price are now also shown on your screen. The Triton's warranty is 3 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Thank you for watching the video. If you want to visit us and book for a test drive, our showroom is located at Governor's Drive, Carmona, Cavite. For inquiries, you may contact me on the details showing on your screen.
Special thanks goes to Ms. Carol Ramos and the team at Mitsubishi Carmona for allowing us to film in the showroom. You guys were amazing.